So you want to also get your trade count in line with your target amount, right? So let's say your target is $500, right? You don't want to risk more than $100 per trade if your target is $500, because you don't want to risk more than like 20% of what your target amount is on your trade. Otherwise, you're over leveraged, not based on the account size, but based on the target that you're going after. So let's say you risk 100.
And I think that's where most people in general get it wrong. So be specific with that again.
Yeah. There's the percentage of your account in total, right?
Okay.
But if your target, you should only risk X% of your target amount per trade on the session, which should be no more than 20%.
Okay.
So 10 would be even better, but 20% is okay. So 10 to 20%. So let's say your target is 1,000. You shouldn't be risking more than 200 per trade, because if you lose 5 trades in a row, you're gonna blow it out, right?
Sure.
So if a lot of people will say, "I want to make $500 a day," but they're risking $200-300 per trade. So they start out with a little bit of bad luck. They're already done, right?
Right.
So you have to have 1% of your account. You should never draw down more than 1% of your account per day. You can go up more than 1%. You can go up 2 or 3%. But if you're going up more than 2 or 3%, you're typically over leveraging, right? It's hard to get like a 1% max risk and get 3% per day on the upside. That's really hard to do. So typically you're going to go for like 1 to 1.5, 2. So no more than 1% drawdown. And if your profit target should be between 1 and 2% on the upside. But let's say you're going for $1,000 a day. Do not risk more than 200 per trade. If you're risking 300 or 400 per trade, you're going to blow out from that angle, from the risk per position per trade. So you're risking X% of your account, but that percent of your account needs to be broken down into risk per trade as well.
Yes.
So if you're going for 500 a day, don't risk more than $100 per trade. If you're going for 1,000 a day, don't risk more than 200.